Orlando vlog. Let's do it. We also got a Dick's Warehouse here first. We're gonna hit the Nike Loop later, but Dick's Warehouse sale first. See what they got. We out here. Here's a fit. You know the vibes. All right, we're gonna go to shoes first. That's disgusting. So this is a shoe I'm looking for, but they weren't retail. The other one was $184. They still got the tempos, but also boost slides for 30 bucks. I have the headband to this tee and it's super sick. I'm gonna have to buy it. Bathroom check. Tub. Shower. Sick. Also got a little kitchen setup, which is pretty cool. Coming out here, you have a view of the pool, and I believe that's the gym over there. There you go. So, as far as it goes, we're pretty much just chilling here for a little bit. Yo, there was gonna be a whole talking portion there, but I just wanted to kind of talk about it. Mainly the reason I went on this quick little trip was just to get away from normal life for a little bit, de-stress, decompress, things of that nature. Yeah, all right, let's get back into it. Okay, update. We're moving to another hotel room, condo type thing, because we got an upgrade, a little bit of a finesse. Ding. All right, let's move. Got a view of like a lake bridge thing, pretty cool. Got a full mirror on the kitchen. Swag. Dun, 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 the speed running. Dun, 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 dun. We got a second bedroom. Dun, 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 dun. Lounge area. Dun, dun, dun. Update. This hotel condo space is a lot bigger, and I think it's a lot cooler. Sick. So this is like a micro kitchenette area. I got my little couch. It's my kind of like lounge area. Lighting is okay. This is the only lighting I have. I do have natural lighting, but like faces the parking lot. So we'll see.
Challenger number 2
yes, sir.
is fighting out
yes,
of the
sir.
red corner.
You know the vibes. Yes, sir. Let's go. Look, hear the crowd, baby. Yes, sir. That's the boy. Let's go, David. Ah! Let's go, baby. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Woohoo! Woohoo!
3 ruled this fight 29-28. Your winner, the unanimous decision, out of the red corner.
Yeah! Let's go, baby! I take that belt home! Gym sesh. Sick. 6:48. Just finished my run. You know where we're at. Wawa time. You know how we come in. We got the Aleeks Nike shorts. Gyakuso undercovers. Sick. You know, we ain't been here in a minute. We finna go through the shorts and whatnot, but shoes first, because you know how we rockin'. Bro, all they got are Monarchs, Odyssey React Shields, and like some random ass these shits. They don't really got much shoes though. Coolest thing they got is this Sacai Nike women's hoodie. It's 100, but I'll pass on it though. Nike in the Loop used to be good. Today was hot dog water. Nothing. Uniqlo time, baby. You know the vibes. I don't know what I'm looking for, to be honest with you, so I'm just looking everywhere. I'm in that back corner where they have like sustainable stuff and whatnot. And they have the raw denim here. And they do have that selvage red line here. I'm gonna grab a pair. They only have 33s, which will fit, and these will stretch out. The 32 is the only inseam they have, but I'll make it work. I can always alter it at home, but I'm gonna go with these. In a Lacoste outlet, never been in a clearance store. They got some good track pants that I'm gonna grab. This is pretty sick. I got 3 pairs. See what I can try on because the colors are really nice. I kind of like them. White pair, size large. I'm gonna pass on these for sure. Yeah. So here's the black ones in a medium, orange and yellow side stripe. They have the ankle zippers. Figured that style, but that's fine. I kind of like them. And the large might be too big, but I'll try the large on anyways. Here's the large. It's pretty comfortable. It looks pretty chill. I don't know. I think the large looks good too. As far as comfort wise, you get the little extra slack at the bottom. I might go with the large. They got purple, very Lakers-esque, a black pair that I just tried on. It was actually the gray pair I was kind of wanting to get, but I didn't find one in my size until now. So, it seemed like Don C Lakers vibes. I think I need to switch up, add some more color to my sweat rotation. $10.03. Publix front, real Florida shit. Let go. Look, I'm from Florida. I live in Publix. I got my local Publix. But like, for some reason, hello, I'm very excited to be in Publix right now. And I don't know why. Yeah. For y'all non-Floridians, this is Publix. Publix subs next to the deli section. So typically, I'd get a chicken tender sub, but they're out of the hot ones. However, these chicken tenders are still gas. We just gotta put them in the toaster or the oven. We're gonna make that happen. Publix teas. Publix, so if you ever go to Publix, chicken, tea, and chocolate chip cookies if you're ever in Florida. Don't come to Publix and not leave with that. You feel me? Bakery inside of a supermarket. Yeah. Do you want that one? Yeah. Hey. 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 Yeah. Hey. Yeah. Hey, hit that spin. Yes, sir. Okay. Oh, look at the speed. Look at that guy enjoying life, killing the game. Yes, sir.
Somebody probably would have put it on TikTok.